The revolution will be live.
What's going on, happy people? It's me, this EXP. Alex X is coming at you. Yes, sir. We got bike night. It's Cycle Gear. It's in New Jersey. Started a new season. I got here kind of late because, I got a 45-minute drive or ride from work and all that good stuff. So, we got folks doing photography over here. Yeah, I gotta get with a couple of my peeps. But we got folks pulling in. When I had got here, it was a nice turnout. Nice turnout. All right. So apparently I've been told I'm bulking up, putting on some poundage. But hey, I'm getting older. It is what it is. So, but we are here, Edison, New Jersey. Make sure you come check out Cycle Gear and support them whenever you can. All right. So, keeping it nice and simple. I didn't realize it was gonna be deep like this. So, I will have the drone for the next one. And I don't have an SD card. So, look at Sunil's bike. Motorcycles! Gotta give a shout out to my peeps. Folks look familiar. Alright. Yeah. It looks like, for me, I gotta change some of my my gear because my body proportions have changed slightly. But that's the thing, we're getting older, so I guess folks are about to take off, but just a short. Gotta check some things out. I'm gonna mingle, and like I said, I'm gonna start getting some content in there. But yeah, here we go, folks. 2026 season kicking off. Let's see you in the next one.
Now listen.
What the heck is this? That is sick. I bet you if the eyes light up, that'd be fire. Oh my goodness. That is cool. Look at that. That's what you call creativity right here. A Tiger, what kind of bike is this? Honda. So it's too big to be a Grom. But what's that? CV500. All right. That is creative. I love it. Good stuff. All right, about to take off. Sunil, I'll catch you later, brother. Okay, cool. Yeah, because now the cops are gonna come. They made too much noise. All right, folks. We'll see ya.